Four young golden jackals, curious, alert, and already remarkably good at being everywhere at once. At this age, almost everything is worth investigating. A smell, a movement, a patch of dirt, or naturally one of your brothers. Golden jackals belong to the dog family. They are native to large parts of southeastern Europe and Asia, and in recent decades they have been expanding farther into Central Europe. Their nose does much of the serious work. For a jackal, a patch of ground can contain an entire day's worth of information. Basically a news feed, only with fewer advertisements. These four brothers are growing up together, and play is much more than entertainment. It teaches coordination, restraint, communication, and where the limits of another jackal actually are. From the outside, this can look like complete chaos. That is because occasionally it is complete chaos. They chase, wrestle, bite, retreat, and start all over again. Every reaction gives them information about each other, and every game is practice for life as an adult. Even now, differences in personality are easy to see. One approaches immediately, another watches first, and somebody always seems to be busy investigating something completely unrelated. Golden jackals are highly adaptable animals. In the wild, they can use many different habitats, and their diet can include small mammals, birds, insects, carrion, fruit, and other plant material. For young jackals, however, the definition of an interesting resource is somewhat broader. Water bowls, sticks, roots, loose objects. If it exists, it probably deserves inspection. And if one brother finds something interesting, the others usually discover an ancient and unquestionable claim of ownership within seconds. Living together means constant social learning. They read posture, facial expressions, movement, sounds, and scent. They test reactions and remember what works. That matters with intelligent wild animals. A playful pup eventually becomes an adult jackal with adult strength, adult confidence, and a very respectable set of teeth. So clear boundaries around people are important from the beginning. Humans are not toys. Humans are not food. Apparently, this is a lesson worth making very clear. After all that exploring, playing, and arguing over extremely important pieces of vegetation, the energy level finally begins to drop. And suddenly the same animals that were causing mayhem a few minutes ago look completely peaceful, almost innocent. Almost. Rest is just as important as play. Young animals need time to recover, process what they have learned, and prepare for the next round of bad decisions. 4 brothers, 4 developing personalities, and a great deal still to learn for them and probably for the humans working with them too.